Yes, welcome everyone. Welcome everyone. Money in the bank here. Yeah, we're back in the building. We're back in the building to burn some pips here, guys. You know how we do it. You know how we do it. Yes, everyone that is just joining in. I welcome everyone. I welcome everyone. Yeah, you know how we do it. You know how we do it. It's just a few minutes to London Open. London always opens at 11 East African time. You know how we do it. Yeah. Well, this is 15 minutes time frame. The market came and grabbed the liquidity above the Asian high. So you can see the market has just already dumped about 300 pips, but we expect the market maybe to come and sweep this low here, the Asian low. So you know how London fast money plays. You're just gonna first wait for the 15 minutes of London when it opens, so that we can see where the market maker is just gonna be taking us. You know how we do it. Yeah, welcome everyone that is just joining in. Just so always like, subscribe to our channel FX Money in the Bank FX. It is what it is. It is what it is. When you look down deep into minute 5, it is just still there. After dumping some several pips, just gonna be waiting for him on this time frame H2, which is just gonna be opening in the next 2 hours, maybe, or next 1 hour, because it's just gonna be 11 o'clock. When you look at time frame H1, yeah, we need this guy maybe to break below here and close below here. Maybe we can get a retest here or here. So that's why I'm telling you, we just need to first wait for maybe the first 15 minutes of London Open, and we see how the market maker is just going to be behaving here. Because it cannot leave any tables unturned, guys. You know how we do it, you know how we do it, you know how we do it. Yes. Still live, kicking, pushing the markets. So we live in the markets. That's our jungle, guys. So if we get a breakdown below here, maybe we can be able to tap into like, wow, 200 pips plus. So let's just wait and see how the market is just going to be behaving right now. We live on YouTube, guys. Yeah, we're going to be sharing these live streams with the people here. It is what it is. It is what it is. It's just 59 minutes past 10 o'clock East African time. You know how we do it. So we're just going to be waiting to see how this market is just going to be behaving. London is in. You know how we always wait for the market makers. Let's see how each one has just closed below this. Has closed below this structure here. Now this has become our resistance level. So all we need is just to wait and see how the market maker is just going to be behaving onto those zones. Because we have a structure here, this has been broken, the market came closed. So all we need to see maybe is this maybe market breaking below here. If the market can break below here, that means we're going to be having a better momentum to the downside. If it doesn't break, because we'd love to see this candle 15-minute coming and closing below this level here. Because the market can easily come back to this structure that it has just broken. If I get the properties here, let me see. Just fill. You know how we do it, guys. You know how we do it. You know how we do it. To the gumite. So we might see this guy maybe coming back to this zone here because it broke above, it broke below this structure and didn't retest it with this candle, which just moved with big momentum to the downside. So you know how we do it. You know how we do it. We just keep it simple when you look into 5 minutes time frame. Yeah, we just need to take a break below this structure here so that we can be able to continue selling that market. Mm-hmm. Because when you look at H2 time frame, it still has some good time here. Good time. We need a close below that level here, the level of 503. So just waiting within those zones, guys, so that we can be able to see where the market maker is taking us. You can share the live streams, guys. Copy our live streams and share the live streams with your communities who would love to be live trading with Money in the Bank here. So we're just waiting to see how the market maker is just gonna be doing its thing, Teddy Papa. We just need to be patient with the market makers so that we can see what the market has for us. We want to see the market breaking below these zones of 49.91. That's where we shall be able to know that the market maybe is continuing pushing down. Because we still have some liquidity here. We didn't have liquidity here. We also have some liquidity here. So it is better to be patient with the market. By observing it, it is also trading. So it is always better. Always wait. So when you just jump onto the market, it can always punish you for no reason. It is what it is, it is what it is, it is what it is. Welcome everyone that is just joining in. Yeah, we do our best, we do our best, we do our best, we do our best. Best of the best of East Africa, Kampala, Uganda. Yeah, you know how we do it, you know how we do it, guys. You know how we do it, you know how we do it, you know how we do it. Trading live. This is gold. We are trading gold live. So all you need is just getting your data ready, getting everything, your setups ready. You can always comment. I see here is yeah. You can like, comment, and subscribe to our channel with Money in the Bank. As I see you around the building, I welcome you. It is what it is. It is what it is. So we're gonna be trading live London session and New York sessions. So all you need is just to remain ng'oligumite kitegeera. Because when you look at 30 minutes, there's also a support zone here. So still have some liquidity here, liquidity here. So we're just patient. Because when you look at M5 has not broken below that zone. So would love to see maybe M5 also breaking below here. If M5 can break below and close below here, can be able to pick some 200 pips. But if it doesn't, we shall be waiting. We don't have a reason to be on pressure. So when we look at GBP USD is still intact here. It's just still within this zone of ours. When you look at H2 time frame, yeah, maybe we can wait for maybe GBP USD to break above these levels here or below these levels here. So it is still within the zone. When you look at time frame H4, still within the zone. So let's wait and see. For GBP USD, we are waiting within between these zones, breakout of these zones. We're going to be able to be anticipating and looking on how to take the trades. When you look at USD Japanese yen, we need a close below here. This is time frame H2. If we get a close below here, can be able maybe to attain a few pips of about 40 pips, 40 pips range. So we are just being calm within this London session. You don't need to be on a hurry. Hurry doesn't take you anywhere. Because you see this guy is just in a bullish momentum. Guys just moving to the top. So right now I can't be looking for sells, just be looking for buys. So just wait until this guy closing inside here, then maybe should be able to take some serious buys onto that zone. For gold, it is just now quiet. It hasn't done anything. It's just 8 minutes past 11 o'clock East African time. All we need is just keeping posted, and loading the industry like the way we want to do it, guys. Yeah, welcome to live trading with Money in the Bank. You know how we do it, guys. This is gold. We are still simple to that. London hasn't showed any reactions, and yeah, keeping it easy with the game, guys. It is what it is. It is what it is. It is what it is. It's just 11 minutes past 11 o'clock East African time. You know how we do it, guys. You know how we do it. Let's just keep rocked in, and we see how the market is just gonna unfold here, because it is just still in a range. It is still ranging. Maybe to do and to maybe retest to this zone or this zone here, but we are just patiently waiting to see where the momentum of the market is just taking us. All we need is just to be patient with the market makers, and we see maybe what it is just going to be giving us in the end. You can share the live streams, you can share with your friends. So the market is just still ranging, guys. All we need is just to be patient and we enjoy the vibes that the market maker is just bringing us, guys. So there's no pressure for us to be in the market, guys. All we need to see is just this market breaking below these levels so that we can be able to react. Shall only react when this market has closed below that guy. It's just 13 minutes past 11 o'clock East African time. You can see how the momentum is shifting on M5. So let's wait and see how the market is just going to be reacting within these zones here. We need a break below here and to close below here. It's just breaking these lows here. It's just a few minutes to the top of the 15 minutes. Because we still have this liquidity here, we have this liquidity here. So once here, the market make is just going to be within that zone. We need this guy to close below here so that maybe if we can take a trade there, we have our stop losses up there. So we're just patiently waiting. You look at 30 minutes time frame, we still have some liquidity here. Still have some liquidity to grab. It's just 15 minutes past 11 o'clock London Open. So you can see technically this market has closed below its low and a new kind of 15 minutes has been formed. So we just need to be patient because here once if this liquidity can be grabbed, guys. So just need to be patient with the market. This guy has just closed without any wick here, so these candles are always dangerous. A candle without a wick is always dangerous. So the market can just decide to first push now back to the top there. So you just need to be alert. Don't just enter into the market like that. Yes, welcome everyone that is just joining in. A round of applause to you guys. You know how we do it, you know how we do it, you know how we do it. Tetwina kwetusinga tetwina kwetwenkana naye we are just traders. Let's wait and see how this guy 5-minute count is just gonna be closing. Because this is a dangerous zone. Because when you look here, we still have this be needing the market close below this, maybe to achieve this level of about maybe 200 pips, something like that. The market has already pumped about 400. Let's wait and see. So when you look at 15-minute, this guy has just broken below here. So we are waiting to see its reaction from those zones. Yeah, you can keep your comments coming in. Looking at your pairs, GBP USD here. You have a range of about 22 pips with a 15-minute candle. Look at 30 minutes time frame here. GBP USD, you can see how it is just behaving here. Might be at its bearish momentum here. Because when you look on daily time frame, you can see we still have some good pip range here of about 50 pips. To be with you. You can see God is just still mingling and twinkling there. For us, we shall always be patient and wait for Him as He twinkles. Welcome everyone that is just joining in with Money in the Bank. You can see technically this market broke below here. That guy hasn't returned on that zone. This was the candle that was broken by this guy here. This guy didn't reach back here. So we might see the market maybe coming back onto that zone there about 509, then for it to continue pushing to the downside. So if this guy stays below this here, just know that we're going to be achieving about like 200 pips to the downside here. So we are waiting to see what the market makers for us. Welcome everyone that is just joining in. Cheers to you guys. We are waiting patiently, guys. We are waiting patiently for that market. We haven't done anything. It's just London. We are taking sales on GBP USD. You can see how gold is just behaving, guys. This is what I was telling you. Because H2 is just shifting the momentum. It is just 24 minutes past 11 o'clock East African time. We just keep it simple, precise, and courageous. Need to be courageous within this market. So we're just waiting to see how good these reactions are just gonna be here. You can see how technically that guy is just running away from that zone. Because you can see it reached this zone, but didn't collect this liquidity below here. So when you look at 30 minutes time frame, this was the structure that was broken, and the market closed below that guy here. So we are just waiting patiently. There is not yet that big volume in the market. It's all about being patient with the market makers. This is 5 minute time frame, guys. You know how we do it. You can look at GBP USD. It's just still mingling. Yeah, we need this guy to come and close below here so that we can continue selling this guy. You can see the 5 minute, it just closed above this cap price. So we're just waiting. Don't want to react onto any candle there because you might react and reacts into you. It is just 27 minutes. We're just waiting for 30 minutes to see how it is just going to be closing. If it closes below here, when it is red, just know it's just going to be attaining this, all this. So we're just patiently waiting. We just look into 15 minutes, 5 minutes, and 50 and 30 minutes. That's where we are trading from. Nothing much, nothing greater. Technically, gold is just still ranging. It's just London. So if you play around with it, it can easily punch you for no reason. But the market is just bearish. It is still bearish, though it's been collecting, and you know how gold heavy it is. Just always wait for it to give us the perfect trades. So you can see 30 minutes has just closed. Once you start breaking below here, and look at 5 minutes time frame. We have a small structure here on 15 minutes time frame. So katulinde tulabe. Let's wait and see what the market has for us. This is a range here within the 5 minutes time frame. You know how we do it. We just need to be patient because the market is just ranging into the first hour of the London session. You know how we do it. We just keep it low, because when you look at this guy here, it's just still down on H1 time frame. All the signs are still showing us the bearish momentum of the market. So all we need is just to be patient when you look at oh damn, this guy. If you look at 3 minutes time frame, it is just still showing us it is within the range. So all we need is just to wait patiently and see how the market is just going to be reacting. Because when you react here for NA buy or sells, it's tricky. Because from here to here, that's about 80 pips. From here to there, that's about 10 pips. So all we need is just to be cool. Let's say gold, guys. We sell onto gold. So we make sure our stop loss is minimal here. Stop loss at 500.01. We've just set that into gold sales, guys, here. Let's see how it's just going to be reacting with us onto that area. We are already selling onto gold, guys. So let's watch and see. Because that one has just flipped. So see if we can target like 200 pips. Because 200 pips is around that zone. Because this guy closed below here. This guy on H1. So let's see what the market has for us. This is what it is. This is what it is. With money in the bank, you know how we do it. Our stop loss is 500 as a 501. So if you have entered with the money in the bank, you just need to keep calm. Let's see what the market has for us. So welcome, guys, everyone that is just tuning in. You can keep your messages coming in. You can keep it locked in. This is what it is. This is what it is. Simple, secure, instant with money in the bank. Cheers to everyone. That is live streaming with money in the bank here. You know how we do it. Just trading with FTMO. Yeah, 3 minutes might come and retest this on here because it blocked below here, went, grabbed all this, went back into this structure here. So let's wait if we see this guy can pair some good pips, maybe 100, maybe 200, something like that. We are already into the sales, guys. But I see the market has chicken volume. Yeah, let's see, guys. Keep liking the page, subscribe to the page. Money in the Bank FX, subscribe so that we keep locked in, guys. You know how we do it. So that the services keep on coming like crazy, 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 crazy. Yeah. TikTok was making for us noise. That's why we chilled it and we came here on YouTube, guys. Because all the time TikTok was giving us warning, what. Yeah, I see Muiru typing money in the bank. Cheers, you. Keeping it simple, relaxed, instant, and forever. You know how we do it. Remember, guys, we sold from this zone. Our stop loss is at 501. So let's see if this market can give us some good pips to the downside. I'm using one standard lot on FTMO. So let's just keep locked in, guys. You know how we do it. We are just traders. Trade with the money in the bank. You won't regret. By the end of the year, you won't regret. So we just keep pips. We keep stacking pips. That's our duty. Stacking pips to the top. Yeah, GBP USD is also coming back within our range. So let's just keep it locked in. kano katale olina okubeera gumite. So if minute 3 closes below here, just know that we're going to be achieving this range here. So we still have this liquidity here to grasp. Let's see what the market has for us, guys. Because we still have this liquidity to grasp here. Then we see what the market maker is just gonna be driving us to. This is 3 minutes time frame, guys. You know how we do it. We took a sell here. This is about oh damn. Yeah, that's 70 pips, guys. You know, you can always feel free to take in some profits, guys. Yeah, you can always partialize your profits, guys. Cause me, if it hits this year line, I'm gonna be taking it off. So just waiting. It's just 40 minutes past 11 o'clock East African time. You know how we do it. When we go back to 5 minutes time frame, you can see we need to grab this liquidity here. So let's see what the market has for us. Just here shaking its bums. So you know how we do it, guys. Because that's about 50 pips. You can always feel free to take some profits. Bang. Let's see if this 5 minutes can break below its previous low. The love for the market is on fire. Minute 1 has just broken below its level. Let's wait and see. Yeah, the market's reactions are always solid. You know how we do it, guys. We just keep it simple, precise, instant. You know, gold is still a heavy metal. So if you play around with it with big lot sizes, you can easily go down. So to keep in the game, just use small lot sizes. And this is for education purposes, not investment purposes. You have to remember that. So my decisions does not tantamount to financial advice. Welcome everyone. Welcome everyone that is just joining in. Tell a friend to tell a friend. We be live in the London session and New York session, guys. It is what it is. You can keep your comments coming in. You can keep everything there. You can keep subscribing to Money in the Bank FX. Like the page. Share the page. Let's grow together, guys. It's a round of applause those who are subscribed to Money in the Bank. It is what it is. Tetulina gwe tusinga, tetulina gwe twenkana naye. For us, we just traders, guys. So we have this level here, below here. Once if this guy can close below here, that means we shall be able to attain this because we shall be having a clean range to the left side on 5 minutes time frame. So let's see what the market has for us. It's just 43 minutes past 11 o'clock East African time. You know how we do it, guys. You know how we do it, guys. Fe tetulina gwe twenkana naye, tetulina gwe tusinga. We just come to the markets. The market is a big shark. It's a big lake where everyone can come, grasp their opportunities, and move on. So it's just 1 minute to the close of 15-minute candle. Let's see what it has for us. A few seconds. Once he maybe grab this liquidity below here. So let's watch and see. I always prefer the ratio of 1 to 2 on gold because it is a volatile pair. You can easily pump like nothing. Welcome everyone that is just joining in. Hope everyone's all good with me. Yeah, another new 15-minute candle has just opened up. It is 45 minutes past 11 East African time. This guy might want first to retest here, then boom, break below this liquidity here. So let's wait and see. This guy flips. It has given us a week. I think it is just gonna continue to collect this liquidity below here because it is the nearest liquidity here. So let's see. Let's watch and see. Let's watch and see. We're already in. Just put our trades to the break even. Let's see what the market makers for us. You can always bank, guys. Wherever you get some pips, because this market is not our brother. Just always need to be conscious with it, with the profits that we make and everything. We are locked in. Let's see if we can collect more pips here. It's a fresh Monday. You know how we do it, guys. It looks like this guy doesn't want to pay us our money. Looks it wants to come back to our entry zone here. Oops. This guy has just taken us out. Cost has come back to this structure here. That bad boy must fall. Bad boys, bad boys, bad boys. It is what it is. It is what it is. It's a fresh Monday, guys. We just keep it simple, precise. It's about to get to noon time. It's just exactly 50 minutes past 11 o'clock East African time. Sure, welcome everyone that is just joining in, guys. We are trading gold and GBP USD, guys, here. GBP USD is just having its rest on its head. We had a sell from here. Our stop loss is just above here. So we're just waiting for him to see his solid reactions within that zone. This love is on fire. I think this bad boy is just gonna be moving up. It's better we cut him down. Cut his legs down. We speak the language of pips here, guys. We speak the language of pips here. Damn, that guy is just running. Let me just cut him down. I wait for a better setup. Because it is coming to noon, the H2 candlestick is just gonna be changing. So let's wait for him here instead of brushing with him. Let's see what the market makers for us, guys. GBP USD is just chilled here. This love is on fire. Boss man is just rising. Let's see how this 15-minute candle is just gonna be closing. Closes way above here. Might want first come to this structure up there. Because when the noon candles opens, first goes the different direction and the momentum is always different, guys. So let's just wait and see. Top shutter, top shutter, top shutter. It's just 56 minutes past 11 o'clock East African time, you know. This guy is just consolidating and making noise here. Let's see what it has for us when you look at 5 minutes time frame. He's still making noise there. Take and die in your rounds right now. This bad boy is still pushing down, man. I believe so. But let's wait for him. Just a few minutes to the top of the hour. Yes, welcome everyone, welcome everyone. You know how we do it, you know how we do it. Simple, precise, instant. To grab below this body here, it didn't grab its wicks. Still believe this guy has to come and grab all this liquidity here. Just stuck liquidity down here. From that here, it's about 200 pips. This is GBP USD. This guy closes above here, we shall cut him. Because it still has some good range to the downside. Yeah, massa. Shoot to kill the boo. It is what it is. It is what it is. The consolidation here is just to another big problem, big shock. It is noon, guys. Let's see what the market has for us. Let's see if this market can retrace back to that zone. If it can retrace back here, should have a better discounted price to trade on. And if it doesn't, we are still gumite. Because H4 has just formed. It is just known. Remember, the time savings changed on our international markets. So we just be locked in. Let's wait and see how the market is just gonna be behaving within zones. First wait for 15 minutes here and here, so that we can see what the market maker has to offer. Guys, you can keep your comments coming in. This market is still within the sell bias. It's just exactly 3 minutes past noon time. Yeah, welcome to Trading Live with Mind the Bank. You know how we do it. Simple, precise, instant. If this 15 minutes candle closes below here, just know that we shall be having a green range. A green range of about 160 pips, but if it doesn't, damn. It's just gonna be fire. Bum, bum, bum. Let's just wait, guys. Patiently waiting for the next big move. Second eye neurons right now. Because see, this liquidity has just been grabbed. That is 3 minutes time frame. We might see this guy coming back to this zone here. Maybe we get a better discounted price from that zone. So we just need to be alert. Choose what it is, choose what it is. Yeah, God is still just ranging, guys. This love is on fire. I'm on fire. So you can see this guy has grabbed this liquidity that we were talking about. Even here on 15 minutes, even on 30 minutes, the first liquidity has been eaten up. So let's wait and see what the market has for us, guys. This was the last month that the market pushed to the upside during night. It pushed about how many pips? About 400. So this guy is about rich. He's gonna be having news on Thursday or Wednesday. The market is just gonna be very crazy, 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 crazy. Let's keep our eyes on this guy. We see what it has for us. A new 5 minute candle has been formed. This guy was the last bearish candle here. So once see the behavior, the market behavior around that zone. Cheers everyone that is just watching us live with Money in the Bank. You know how we do it every day, Monday to Friday. We keep rocked in. Teri agamba yo. You can still see the market is just ranging, guys. Just ranging within our cash zone. Just need to keep it simple, precise. Welcome everyone, welcome everyone. A round of applause to everyone that is just seated chilled with Money in the Bank here. You know how we do it, you know how we do it. We keep it simple, precise, and instant. Let's wait and see how this guy is just gonna be crossing. If he crosses below here, that means he wants to first get out of this liquidity, all of it. It's just crossed here. Let's see how the market is just gonna be playing around there. So I believe this guy needs to first come back here for it to continue dropping. Because even 30 minutes has not yet closed below here. We just keep our eyes open. Looking at that gold, it's just gonna be pushing up. Because we need that retracement very hard for it maybe to give us a better discounted price for an EOX session. Welcome to Trading Live with Mind the Bank. It's just good. It's just gonna be buying for a few pips because we need a retracement, better discounted retracement there. See what the market has for us. It is what it is. It is what it is. It's a fresh Monday. You know how we do it, guys. GBPUSD is just consolidating within the zone, but it is just going to pump down here. We're just waiting to see the market reactions. This is good, guys. We expect him to first retrace some good pips to the upside. If it doesn't, well and good. We are cover. This market came and grasped all this liquidity here. So expect him maybe to first retrace back, maybe to around 50, 12. Because when I look at H2 time frame, that this guy has grasped this one might be collected in the New York time. So expect maybe this market first come around this zone, around that zone there, for it to have a free drop. So we're just waiting patiently. We're just going to be waiting to see what the market has for us, guys. No pressure. Make sure your stop loss is always in place. The rest will be history. From that, there we have a pip range of about 150 pips. Yeah. Let's see if we can achieve them. Is low volume. This love is on fire. I'm on fire. So tulina okubeera gumite mu katale kano. Just always need to be patient with the markets, and we see what it has for us. Pips aren't shifting, it's just noon time. Doesn't want to appear, so we should just chill it and we wait for New York time, because New York is better. Higher volumes, great everything. We don't extend our stop losses. We accept what comes out of the market, guys. It is what it is. It is what it is. Simple, secure, instant. We are not dramatic. We just keep it low key. As we present the best of Money in the Bank here, Let's see what the market is just gonna be having for us onto that zone there. We just still chilled. It's just 26 minutes past noon time. We grasp this one. Yeah, there we shall be going in for lunch. Let's wait and see. Just need these 5 minutes to close above here. I got retracement here, then bam. Let's wait tactically. Let's keep the eyes onto that trade. We're locked in. Yeah, we are just looking at gold, guys. You know how we do it. 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 One this cup back here, maybe it's about 140 pips. Yeah. Keep locked in. Keep locked in. As we wait for our move to unveil. See if this guy can give us a week here. Then we continue to the upside. That guy gives us a week. It's just continuing to the upside. So we are just locked in. This guy didn't close below here. So let's wait and see. That's 15-minute time frame. Our stop loss is just too close. We risk what we can afford to lose. Let's watch and see. Still watching the markets. Still watching the markets, guys. Simple, precise, instant. We just keep it simple. Tetulina gwe tusinga, tetulina gwe tuvuganya naye. We are just traders of FX Volatas. Subscribe to the channel, subscribe to Money the Bank, all social media platforms, Money the Bank FX. Can always subscribe to all our media platforms, Money the Bank FX, Money the Bank with DA. Yeah, that's how we do it, guys. How does the market feel, guys? Does it feel gumite? Or you can explain? Because the markets are hot, hot like a burger. Just seeing the market just into the range. This market just needs the chicken, fry with it. Let's watch and see what the market has for us, guys. GBP USD is coming down, guys. Yeah, we are waiting. Want to see him down here maybe for the close of the day. USD Japanese yen, it's just continuing. It's a bullish market. Let's wait and see. We keep it simple, precise, and secure. Gold volume has just refused, guys, so might cut him down. Lunchtime, market slowing down, no volume, no what. Someone needs to take a chill pill. The market has taken out us officially. Gonna see him back in the New York, maybe, guys. GBP USD has to sell to the downside. Then USD Japanese yen, you can buy him up to 15.9.73. So you just keep it simple, precise, instant. The market is just consolidating, guys. We wait for him in the New York session, guys. Shall be back in the New York, guys. See you guys. Shout out to everyone.